Hello and welcome to DataZar. Today I'm going to show you basic computer skills for building your website at connect.datazar.com. So go to datazar.com, we're going to get logged in, we'll click the login button. And that takes us to dashboard on the main menu. Let's go full screen. To work on the website, we're going to click on the website button. And this is where we're going to show you the shortcuts for doing pages and posts. Also, these are the editing tools up here. You have templates, themes, settings. We're not going to go over all these today. We're going to create a page. Also, this is the public preview URL right here. If you have a domain, it'll show right here. But if you want to update your website quickly to review your changes, then use the public preview URL. It updates in just a few seconds, where the website might take a couple minutes to update. So that's the first shortcut, is using the public preview URL. Let's take a look at our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. And we created a blog post today. And this is basic computer skills for building your website. And let's scroll down. Well, the reason that you want to use these computer skills is it helps in making it quick and easy for building your website. It's going to make it real easy for you. So we have Control X to cut, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, Control Z to undo, and then Control Shift V is to paste unformatted. We have some additional keyboard help here. We have a double space is Enter and single space is Shift Enter. By the way, if you're watching the tutorial on YouTube, you'll see these written instructions. Or if you're watching it somewhere else, just go to help.datazar.com, click on Website Help, and you'll find the tutorial and you'll find the written instructions. So let's tab back over. Oh, this is a website. We're just going to borrow some text, so it's going to make things go more quickly. So we're just going to do Control C on this Wikipedia hiking site. Just copy the text there. And let's tab back over to Connect. So we're on the website button right now. We're going to click on Pages to create a new page. And we're going to click Create Blank Page, Title, Keyboard, Shortcuts, and then down here, just for demonstration purposes today, we have a tutorial on this, so we're going to go through it quickly, but we're going to use image right. These are just filler words. When you do image right, image left, any of our templates, that comes with filler words, and you can just double click, you can delete those out, or you can do Control X to cut. But we're going to delete, because in our clipboard we already have words pasted from the Wikipedia. So to paste in the words that we pasted from Wikipedia, we did Control Copy to copy. Now we're going to paste it. Control V is in Victor. And you'll see that when we pasted these words, we pasted it formatted. By the way, let's just get rid of these dashes real quick. It's just part of this template. It just keeps the formatting straightened. But when we pasted these words here, we copied them from Wikipedia. They're pasted formatted. And this is important to note, because when you paste formatted, it makes it very difficult. You're going to run into problems. It's going to just cause issues. So if we go to the Edit Code, Source Code, we look at it, we see all that formatting in there. So we don't want to paste formatted. So let's Control X to cut. This time, instead of Control V to paste, we're doing Control Shift V, and that's to paste unformatted. So we're holding down Control, we're holding down Shift and clicking on V, and now we pasted unformatted. If we go to the Edit Code, Source Code, you'll see that it doesn't have all that formatting in there. And that's really what you want to do. That's what you want to have. So if we want to add some more text, add more text here. If we do a Shift Enter, it's a single line. Add more text here. If we do Enter, it's double line. Add more text here. So just remember, Shift Enter is a single line and Enter is a double line. Also, if you want to undo what you just did, you can do Control Z is in zebra. So we're undo, undo, undo. Or you can just use this back arrow. If you use the back arrow, it can undo everything. And you can start from scratch, or you can go back to where you left off. So we're just going to leave it right there. So Control X is to cut, Control C is to copy, Control V is to paste, Control Z is to undo, Control Shift V is to paste unformatted. Let's just finish this up. Let's add an image. We'll click on the image, click on the Insert Edit Image icon, click the up arrow. We're going to click on My Images, and I know we're going through this quickly, but we have tutorials on adding images and everything that we're going to show you at the end. So we're going to use this right here. We're going to click OK. And to create the page, we're going to click on Create. And let's tab back over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. We're going to go ahead and refresh the page, refresh the website. Go to Home. Oh, and there it is. There's the keyboard shortcuts page that we just created right there. Quickly, let's go back to our blog page. And again, these are the shortcuts we just went over. Control X is to cut, Control C is to copy, Control V is to paste, Control Z is to undo, Control Shift V is paste unformatted, single space, Shift Enter, and let's go back to Connect. Okay, we went from Dashboard to the Website button. Now let's go to the Help button as one last thing. Featured tutorial videos, I always recommend that. You can click on that. You can watch the first, 3 or 4 featured tutorial videos. They're really great. Or you can go to the Help Center. If you click on Help Center, that takes you to help.datazar.com. You can click on Website Help, and this is where you're going to find the video that you're viewing right now. It'll be right here listed in here. These are all of our tutorial videos. They're very helpful. So let's tab back over to Connect. We'll go back to Dashboard. And that's it. Those are basic computer skills for building your website with DataZar Connect.